Hi to everybody. I'm Giuliana d'Addezio. I'm from INGV in Rome, and I'm here to present some work related to the ENVRIplus project. Oh, thank you. Supporting teachers for training a new generation of students on environmental sciences. Please. Go ahead. Oh, okay. What is ENVRIplus? There is a booth downstairs, just in the main hall, if you are interested. It's an Horizon 2020 project funded by the European Commission, bringing together environmental and earth science system research infrastructures. Projects and networks together with technical specialist partners to create a more coherent, interdisciplinary and interpolate cluster or environmental research infrastructure across Europe. But now it's growing as it also involves the whole system of research infrastructures. The projects aim to provide the necessary data, elaboration and facilities to face major scientific questions related to the natural and anthropogenic environmental changes. One of the aims of the ENVRIplus is to disseminate knowledge on environmental topics and on research infrastructure, supporting scientists mainly, focusing attention on European secondary school. This is the part of the topic that I'm working on. To increase awareness on the great challenges that our planet is facing. This is the main thematics: atmosphere, ocean and seas, biosphere, and solid earth. In the 2017, we prepared a questionnaire to improve and better fit the content of the e-learning platform. So we collect the questionnaire during the last year and the year before GIFT workshops, and we collect 137 questionnaires from 20 countries. Those are, there is the pointer? Maybe? The main question was, do you use digital resources to fine-tune educational tools? As you see, the 64% of the answer was yes. And, but also still a big number, 27% of the teachers didn't find new educational tools on the web. So just to go deep in the questionnaire, the most used tool that the teacher used are multimedia, lab and hands-on tools. What they found most available is still multimedia and lab and hands-on tools. This is strange because it's also one day declared to be more needed, the lab hands-on activities. So, based on this and on our experience, we develop a platform for education. That's now my colleague is.
Thank you, Giuliana.
Presenting, please.
Okay, we developed a couple of tools for education. Differently from the previous presentation, these tools are mainly for high school people and their children. As we said, one of the aims of ENVRIplus is to disseminate knowledge. We did these two tools. The first one is an e-learning platform to support secondary school. The e-learning platform also contains courses for project partners. We also made a web application and educational games. Both of the tools are to try to have a different learning method. Once again, this platform wants to be a point of reference for teachers. And there, yes, they will find information, videos, presentation, links, useful materials for our topics. These are screenshots of our platform. We divided the courses in 5 main topics: aquatic domain, solid heart, atmospheric domain, ecosystem, and multi-domain. So it's possible to browse the courses using the topics. It's also possible to browse the courses using the tags. Unfortunately, we only have courses in English and a little bit of Italian. We are looking for helps to translate the courses also in other language. These are examples of the courses about volcanoes and earthquake. Once again, for teachers, there they can find resources on specific topic. And we want to give a different learning method. INGV mostly work with a solid heart. And as you can see, the number of courses, the majority of the courses is about solid heart. But we tried to cover all the aspects and all the topics. At the moment, we have got 25 different courses for children from 8 to 18. The second tool we made, as I said, is a web application for scientific gaming. Games are played by a team of 4 to 8 students. Students need supervision, need help of a teacher. The game is divided in 2 different phases. In the first phase, students realize a scientific project, and then they publish the project on the web application, and then there is an online competition. We have got competition on different topics. You can see now the screenshot of the game about natural risk, but we have got competition, we've got games on other topics as well. This is our URL, training.envri.eu. ENVRI.eu is the main website of European project. If you've got any question, you can write to our supervisor, to our project leader, that is Giuliana. Thanks a lot.